Dinner idea to jumpstart the weekend. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nik Manojlovich. Before I share this recipe for a really delicious tomato chicken pasta bake, how about an invitation? Why not head to weekendatthecottage.com, subscribe to our website while you're there. Then look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, drop us a few comments, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. I also want to encourage you to take a picture of this wonderful pasta dish when you make it. Use hashtag weekendatthecottage when you post your photos on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I am so confident you're gonna love this tomato chicken pasta bake. The whole idea is about preparing the ingredients the night before, stick them into the cooler, take them to your destination, and now all it is about assembly. To begin, I took 4 cups of dried penne pasta. I cooked the pasta off al dente. I'm adding that pasta into this big bowl. Main ingredient, roasted chicken. I have 3 cups of cubed roasted chicken. Next, we're adding half of a sweet Vidalia onion, finely diced. I have 4 ribs of celery, finely chopped. About a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, also chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, very finely diced. I cooked off 6 strips of bacon, not too crispy. I'm adding the bacon into the bowl. Now we have 3 cups of your favorite tomato sauce. You can see this is going to be very good as I stir it in. What would a pasta bake be without cheese? How about 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese? Stir it in. What do we need? Add a little sprinkle of kosher salt. Optional spice ingredient, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes. We're gonna sprinkle that on top. It gives this pasta dish a really nice punch. Stir everything together, set it to the side for a second. We're bringing in an 8 by 11 glass casserole, little bit of butter, grease your dish, and now transfer that pasta in on top. Last thing, a 2 cheese combo for the topper. I have 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan. Kind of toss it with your hands to coat the cheddar, and then we're sprinkling that on top of your baking dish. Into a preheated 350-degree oven. This is gonna bake for 45 minutes. Fair warning, your kitchen's gonna smell really delicious. When this is done, it comes out of the oven right to table. Very simple garnish, a little sprinkle of parsley. You don't need more than that. When you go to serve, spooning it onto a plate, you're instantly aware of how fabulous this is. If you have a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan on top, maybe some more parsley, you don't need much more. I like to serve this with a favorite side salad. I'll post a couple of suggestions with the recipe and the full story at weekendatthecottage.com. Beyond that, you know what to do. Make it, enjoy it, then come on back and hang out again soon. Always something delicious right here in the Weekend at the Cottage kitchen. Like this, for example. Oh, delicious. Good.